Hey guys, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Vlad here, and today we're going to take a look at three of my favorite Breitling Navitimer models, one of the most iconic pilot's chronographs out on the market. Welcome back guys, and it's Vlad, and we're going to talk about Navitimers today a little bit. So this model was firstly introduced in 1952 and became the iconic chronograph for the pilots from Breitling. And the classic look of this watch usually is with a black dial on a leather strap, but today we're going to take a look on the three options that come on the bracelet, and three of my favorite options. So the biggest complaint about Breitling bracelets is because they come with a high polish finish, and sometimes when you wear it, it's a little bit rough, like you pick up scratches, and it's very shown on those watches. That's why two of those three models that I picked up today come with actually brush finish. It's a special edition from Breitling, and let's take a closer look at them. So let's first take a look at the Breitling Fighter. This watch comes in 41.5mm, and as I mentioned, the brush finish bracelet and the clasp. So if you want to wear it a little bit tougher and you know that you'll pick up some scratches, this is a good option for you. The watch comes with kind of like old style or a vintage inspired style. So it's have a domed sapphire crystal. So it definitely looks like it's acrylic crystal, but it's a little bit doomed from the case of the watch, but it's actually sapphire. So it will be hard to scratch this watch. It comes with a vertical chronograph, and as I mentioned, in 41.5mm case size. So if you are like me with a smaller wrist and you want to pull off the Navitimer, I think it's a good size for you. The next option is actually 50th anniversary. So the watch that Breitling came up with to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Navitimer out there. What I like about this one is my favorite chronograph dial layout. It's a vertical, it's a horizontal pattern. It's have the 50th anniversary in red above the 6 o'clock sub-dial. And what I love the most about this specific watch is also come with the brush finish bracelet. So they both from the similar era. They both from 2002 production year. So if you love those vintage inspired Breitling Navitimers and you love the brush finish, it's definitely good options for you. You can decide which one you like the most. But the third model that we're going to discuss, it's a little bit more modern watch. It's actually comes with Breitling Beyond One movements of the first in-house chronograph movements. And if you already know, the Breitling is working together with Tudor to create their own in-house movements. And Breitling are responsible for all the chronograph movements, and Tudor are responsible for the all time-only movements. So this is movement that Breitling invented by itself. It's Beyond One movement. It's come again in 43mm case size, but it's come with this high polish finish bracelet. So if it's not something that you too crazy about, or you actually like the kind of like more luxurious look of the high polish bracelet, it will be a good watch. It's also come with the it's horizontal sub-dial layout, and it's actually have applied Breitling wing logo up here. So beautiful options. We have a lot of Navitimers. They make so many of them throughout the year. So if you are looking for a specific model, I'm sure that we will have it, and you can just give us a call at SwissWatchExpo.com.